Picture this. You are 3 miles deep into the high timber, well past where the fire roads end and the real work begins. Your lungs are burning, your heart is hammering against your ribs like a trapped bird, and you finally have a legal bull in the crosshairs. At that exact moment, you don't care about marketing fluff or glossy magazine ads. You care about one thing. Does that cold hammer-forged barrel put the lead exactly where the reticle says it's going to go? That single shot is the line between a freezer full of organic protein and a very long, very quiet walk back to the truck. Today, we are breaking down the top 10 most accurate field-proven hunting rifles that are truly worth your hard-earned paycheck in 2026. We've completely overhauled this list, ranking these tools from 10 down to 1 based on raw mechanical performance, real-world reliability, and that X factor that shows up when the weather turns south. I'm giving you the straight talk, no industry. Kickbacks, just the facts on accuracy, tactical handling, and true hunting utility. If you want the truth on what actually performs when the stakes are at their absolute peak, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for Gunman Ballistics. Let's get to work. Number 10. Ruger American Rifle. Starting our list at number 10 is the rifle that fundamentally redefined what a budget bolt gun should be. The Ruger American proved to the industry that affordable doesn't have to mean subpar. Ruger changed the entire landscape by delivering repeatable sub-MOA accuracy for roughly the price of a mid-tier optic. The secret sauce here is Ruger's power bedding system. By clamping the action directly to an internal stainless steel bedding block, they ensure the barrel stays truly free-floated. That is the absolute key to consistent groups when the barrel starts to heat up. The Marksman adjustable trigger is surprisingly crisp, breaking like glass at a price point where most triggers feel like a wet sponge. Plus, that 70-degree bolt lift makes cycling a follow-up shot lightning fast without banging your knuckles on the scope. It is the ultimate truck gun that still manages to punch way above its weight class at the long-distance range. Barrel lengths, typically 22 inches. Trigger, Marksman adjustable system. Chamberings, 243 Win, 308 Win, and 6.5 Creedmoor. Price, around $450 to $650. Number 9. Remington 700 SPS. At number 9, we are looking at the legendary Remington 700 SPS. This is the ultimate foundation for the hunter who treats their rifle like a project. The 700 action is the most proven geometry in the bolt action world. It's strong, it's simple, and every custom gunsmith in the country knows how to make this action sing. The SPS, or Special Purpose Synthetic, is your baseline. Whether you keep it stock for the backcountry or drop it into a precision chassis with a Trigger Tech upgrade later on, the potential here is literally limitless. Field users love the predictable point of impact and that rock-solid feeding that comes from decades of refinement. If you want a rifle that can evolve alongside your skills over a lifetime of hunting, the 700 SPS is a sensible tactical choice. Barrel lengths, 22 to 24 inches. Trigger, X-Mark Pro system. Chamberings, 308 Win, 3006, and various Magnum options. Price, roughly $600 to $800. Number 8. Howa, 1500. The 8th spot goes to the Howa 1500. This is a workhorse in the truest sense of the word. Built with legendary Japanese precision, this rifle is all about mechanical reliability and tight tolerances. The HACT two-stage trigger is, in my opinion, one of the best factory triggers currently on the market. It's predictable, clean, and has absolutely zero creep before the break. The bolt lockup feels like closing the door on a Swiss bank vault, and the action handles grit and harsh weather without missing a beat. The 1500 isn't trying to be flashy or win a beauty contest. It's trying to be the most consistent tool in your inventory. For the hunter who needs a rifle that works every single time he pulls it out of the scabbard, the 1500 is the one to beat. Trigger, HACT two-stage trigger. Chamberings, 243 Win through 300 Win mag. Stocks, available in synthetic, wood, or modern chassis. Price, approximately $650 to $900. Number 7. Savage Model 110. The Savage Model 110 earns its spot at number 7 because it puts the power of a custom fit into the hands of the everyday shooter. Their AccuFit system is a game changer, allowing you to adjust the length of pull and the comb height right at your kitchen table with basic tools. When a rifle fits your body geometry perfectly, your eye aligns with the optic naturally every time you mount the gun. That ergonomics boost makes your accuracy skyrocket under stress. Combine that custom fit with the legendary AccuTrigger, and you have a production rifle that delivers sub-MOA groups with match-grade ammunition all day long. It is a rugged, adaptable partner for everything from Midwest whitetail to long-range elk in the Rockies. Stock, AccuFit adjustable system. Trigger, AccuTrigger. Chamberings, extensive range from 243 Win to 300 Win mag. Price, $700 to $1,100. Number 6. Bergara B-14. At number 6, we have the Bergara B-14. This rifle is all about the heart of the gun, the barrel. Bergara has a massive global reputation for making some of the finest precision steel in the industry, and you feel that quality the second you squeeze the trigger. The B-14 offers custom-level precision without that four-figure custom shop price tag. The action is incredibly smooth, it feels like it's running on ball bearings, and the bedding is rock solid right out of the box. It is a rifle that prints tight cloverleaf groups without needing any aftermarket tweaks or expensive gunsmithing. For the hunter who wants a premium, high-end feel and surgical accuracy on the first trip to the range, Bergara is the definitive answer. Barrel, Bergara precision-honed steel. Action, smooth one-piece bolt body. Chamberings, 6.5 Creedmoor and 308 Win. Price, $900 to $1,100. Number 5. Winchester Model 70. The rifleman's rifle takes the 5th spot on our list. The Winchester Model 70 is a masterclass in traditional, old-school reliability. Its controlled round feed and massive claw extractor ensure that your rifle will feed, fire, and extract even in the most desperate vertical conditions. It perfectly bridges the gap between mid-century craftsmanship and modern accuracy expectations. With a free-floated barrel and the MOA trigger system, it is just as accurate as it is beautiful to look at. This isn't just a tool, this is a legacy rifle that you'll be proud to pass down to your grandkids in 30 years. Action, controlled round feed, pre-64 style. Trigger, MOA adjustable system. Chamberings, 270, Win 3006 and 300 Win mag. Price, $900 to $1,300. Number 4. Weatherby Vanguard Series 2. Number 4 is the Weatherby Vanguard Series 2. Weatherby didn't just talk about accuracy, they doubled down on it by offering a factory-backed sub-MOA guarantee. That means if that specific rifle doesn't shoot under an inch at 100 yards, it doesn't leave the factory floor. The cold hammer-forged barrel and crisp two-stage trigger make this a top-tier favorite for hunters who live for long-range pursuits. If you are glassing wide-open plains or hunting high-altitude basins where the shots are long and the wind is high, the Vanguard gives you the ballistics and the confidence to make the shot count. Guarantee, sub-MOA factory promise. Trigger, two-stage trigger. Chamberings, wide variety of Weatherby and standard calibers. Price, $700 to $950. Number 3. Christensen Arms Mesa. Breaking into our top 3 is the Christensen Arms Mesa. This is where aerospace-grade materials meet peak field performance. By utilizing a skeletonized chassis and a precision-machined receiver, Christensen created a rifle that is light enough for a grueling mountain climb, but heavy enough to stay steady when your breath is short. The TriggerTech trigger is the absolute star of the show here. It's a crisp glass rod break that gives you the ultimate level of control over the shot. It's a precision instrument built for the serious hunter who refuses to compromise on weight or performance. Weight, 6.5 to 7.5 pounds. Trigger, TriggerTech system. Materials, stainless steel or carbon fiber options. Price, $1,150 to $1,450. Number 2. Browning X-Bolt Hell's Canyon Speed. Our runner-up is the Browning X-Bolt Hell's Canyon Speed. This rifle is the very definition of a refined, high-performance production hunter. It features a fluted, heat-treated barrel and a Cerakote finish that can handle any environment you throw at it, from the salt marshes to the mountain peaks. Browning's feather trigger and their signature short bolt throw make for lightning-fast follow-up shots when things get chaotic. It feels like a boutique custom rifle in the hands. yet it maintains the ruggedness and reliability of a mass-production workhorse. It is, quite frankly, very difficult to find a better all-around hunting package. Finish: Cerakote for maximum durability. Trigger: feather trigger system. Bolt: short 60-degree throw. Price: $1,700 to $2,100. Number 1. Tikka T3x Lite. Sitting at the top of the mountain for 2026 is the Tikka T3x Lite. There is a very specific reason this rifle is praised by professional hunters and guides worldwide. It offers the smoothest bolt cycle in the entire industry period. The finish engineering behind the cold hammer-forged barrel consistently produces cloverleaf groups with standard factory ammunition. It is lightweight, perfectly balanced, and incredibly reliable in the most freezing conditions on Earth. When the stakes are at their highest and you need a rifle that disappears on your shoulder during the hike, but performs like a laser the moment it's unslung, the Tikka T3x is the undisputed king. Action: silky smooth 2-lug bolt. Trigger: single-stage adjustable. Accuracy: guaranteed sub-MOA performance. Price: $850 to $1,100. That is our 2026 countdown. 10 rifles that absolutely will not let you down when the season is on the line and the pressure is on. Now, I want to hear from the community. Which one of these rigs would you trust to take into the deep woods this year? Are you part of the Tikka tribe, or do you stick with the classic American heritage of the Winchester? Drop your pick and your favorite hunting caliber in the comments below. If you want more deep dive reviews on long-range gear or tactical hunting rigs, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your feedback is what keeps Alpha Gun Review on the range and out in the field. Stay safe, shoot straight, and we will see you on the next one.